Hello, my name is Carolyn. I'm a nurse practitioner and today I'm going to show you how to use a sleep monitor. When you get the monitor from the hospital, it will come in a box like this. It has been cleaned inside and out, but if you would like to give it a wipe when you get it home, that's absolutely fine. Inside the box, you will find a sheet of paper. These are some written instructions for you to go along with this recording. There will also be the monitor itself, a sensor and a cable. To turn the monitor on, you need to press the on-off button and keep your finger on it. The monitor will then come to life. It will then ask you to press OK. The OK button is in the middle. It will then start to alarm, and the bell with the cross through it is the silence button. You can then attach the cable, and the cable can only go in one way. There's little clips on the side, give those a squeeze and the cable will go in the back. You then need to open the sensor, and I have one here for demonstration purposes. On the other end of the cable there is some housing. If you open that and put the sensor in, it's quite secure. You will then get a light on the sensor, and this is going to go on your child's big toe. So the light will go on the toenail and the sensor will wrap around. It is made from elastoplast and is quite sticky, so not too tight when you put it on the toe. You can also put a sock over your child's foot and that will help to keep the sensor in place. The backlight on the monitor has been dimmed. Any button is going to bring the screen back to life. You then get a wavy line, you get oxygen levels and you get heart rate. The green light in the middle is the battery life. The monitor is fully charged and you're going to do this for 2 nights. You don't need to charge it in between times. The purple and blue lights at the top, they show how good the connection is. And the more colour there is in those boxes, the better the connection. If the monitor is alarming and there is not much colour in those boxes, it might be that you need to adjust the sensor on your child's toe. You can't accidentally delete the recording, so once any recording is in the monitor, it is all stored until I download it on the computer. To turn the monitor off, keep your finger on the on-off button and the machine will say press me again. That second press has to be quite quick, otherwise it just goes back to recording. On the other side of the prompt sheet is a little record sheet. So if you can let me know the time the monitor goes on and the time it comes off, and also if your child is awake or asleep. If you want to put the monitor on while your child is asleep, that's absolutely fine. If you could also let me know if anything happens during the night and the time it happens. So, for example, if your child went to the bathroom or if the sensor came off and you had to put it back on again. If your child did become quite distressed during the night and wanted to have the monitor removed, then please don't worry, just let me know on here. And if you can please bring the monitor back to the hospital on the day as arranged. Thank you very much.